There is nothing better than the smell and taste of warm chocolate cake to satisfy your late night craving or after dinner dessert. Best of all, you'll find out how extremely easy this is to make. Stick around. What is up, YouTube? Thank you for checking out Rafa Loves Food. Today, we're gonna be making a delicious chocolate cake, but you're not gonna have to preheat the oven today. Nope, we're gonna be making it right here in the microwave. Let's get started. You're gonna have to mix 3 tablespoons or 23 grams of flour, 1.5 tablespoons or 14 grams of cocoa, 3 tablespoons or 37 grams of sugar, and be sure to use sugar and not salt, otherwise it's gonna be extremely salty. 1/4 teaspoon or 1 gram of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon or 1/2 gram of salt, 2.5 teaspoons of vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It's time to get baking. Mix all of your ingredients thoroughly until everything's incorporated. At this point, you're gonna take your ingredients in your favorite mug, put it in the microwave, set it for 1.5 to 2 minutes, and watch your cake grow. Take it out of the microwave and prepare it as you normally would, whether it's frosting, powdered sugar, or just take a spoon and dig right in. If you enjoyed this video and wish to see more videos, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell.